What's up, guys? Well, I am recording on my new HD camera, so I figured I'd do some stock benchmarks. The video card's all stock, haven't messed with it at all. I did dial back my CPU overclock back down to 3.6 gigahertz just because it was getting way too hot. It was stable, but I just didn't like how hot it was getting, so I need to get some better cooling. I'll probably upgrade to the Corsair H70 or something like that. But anyway, let's run some 3D Mark 06 first, just to get things started. And everybody's seen this whole thing, so I'm just going to stop the video and come back when it's done. So, we'll be back when it's done. Holy crap! I got 19,257. With my quad SLI, I only got 18,100, and that was with my CPU at 3.8 gigahertz. That's ridiculous. GTX 480s are no joke. This is definitely a badass card so far. But alright, let's move on to Vantage now. See how it does on that. Okay, now we're going to do the 3D Mark Vantage. I'm going to do it on performance. I mean, I'll probably do it through all of them just for fun. But first we're going to start with performance. So, launch that up, and then I will come back when the whole test is over, because nobody wants to sit here and watch this for 9 minutes. Okay, well, we got 21,690. GPU is 18,383, and CPU is 47,123. Here's all these other tests. And then I did take a screenshot for the last run of my GX2s, and that's what I got. 22,885, and that's at 3.8 gigahertz. Remember that. And then all these other tests. But anyway, let's move on to some Crysis. I'm kind of curious to see how this card does on Crysis. So let's move on to that. So I've always wanted to do this. Run everything on very high. Yeah, I did 1900 by 1200, 16x anti-aliasing, 64-bit, DirectX 10. Queued that up. Now let's begin, and I will start the video back up when it's all done. Yeah, so I had to start the video up during the thing, because I honestly was doing that as a joke, because I thought this was still just going to be a picture show, like a picture slideshow. But we're actually getting like 25, 30 frames a second. It's ridiculous. This card crushes my two GX2s like they were nothing. They couldn't even do this at all. I'd get like 5 frames a second maximum. So this is definitely a sweet card. I'd love to see what 2 could do, but that's completely unnecessary right now. But I would definitely get one eventually. But alright, I'm going to stop this until we get to the end. So, what do we have? Minimum frames. I don't know if you guys can make that out or not. No, it's not going to focus that close up, but it's 16.46 minimum. Max of 32.49. And an average of 28.52. That's pretty ridiculous for one card at that kind of resolution with anti-aliasing and everything on very high. That's not bad at all. So now let's move on to some Warhead. Okay, so for Crysis Warhead, we're going to put on Enthusiast at 1920 by 1200, 16x anti-aliasing, and DirectX 10. And then I'll turn the cam back on when the test is all done, just to save some time. Don't want to make this video like 10 hours long. So we got minimum of 20, max of 52, and an overall average of 36.2. And that's with everything up as high as it'll go. And my other cards couldn't even play that at all on Enthusiast at that resolution with any anti-aliasing at all. So, yeah, this isn't too bad for one video card. Still nothing like some of these guys on YouTube are getting with like 3 or 4 of these things, but I don't got that kind of money. So now I'm going to probably make another video of that Heaven Benchmark 2.0. But I'm going to make that a completely different video just because I think I'm already too close to my 10-minute limit, and I'm not really sure. I suck at judging time. So I'm going to make that, and hope you guys like this video. There'll be more to come. We'll be upgrading this computer little by little. But yeah, till then, peace out, guys.